Guys, you will not believe this. I just made a gold LED display. Yes, I said gold. What this thing is an LED display that glows gold. Yes, I said gold. Look at the gold. Look at my hands are shining gold. This is amazing. It's really complicated though. I cannot begin to explain. But basically how it works is that you have this component right here. It is a supercapacitor, and what it does is it holds around about 1,000 volts inside it, and and discharges it every second. You hear that beep, and what it does is it discharges 1,000 volts into normal LEDs, and then they glow in gold. This is I couldn't believe I figured it out, but yes, gold. But if you don't buy that shit, it is actually just a normal display. You have a video of it, But anywho, that's not what I'm gonna be talking to you guys about. This thing is an acrylic board. Yes, acrylic, and this thing right here is an LED strip. And what am I gonna do with an LED strip? I'm gonna use it to make a display, an LED display to be precise. Let me turn them on. Wait, there you go, an LED display. You have the individual LEDs and an acrylic board, and when you put LEDs inside an acrylic board, you get a display. And since this is television, let me put this all in an oven, and wham! There you go. This is the display, all wired up and drilled, and each LED stuffed inside a hole, and all of them running to this end where there is a resistor to limit the current, and grounding point, and blah blah blah. I'll get into it next time when I have this thing finished. And how this thing is going to work is it has actually this thing a little bit more complicated than how they normally do it, but how it works is you have a wire going horizontally, vertically. They all connected horizontally, and each LED is connected vertically depending on the polarity, positive up down, negative left right, and they light. You'll search multiplexing on the internet. But this thing, when wired up, is gonna be a display. I'm not sure if I have pictures of it, but I'll find them and show you something working the same. And all these LEDs actually are gonna be driven by one of these. This thing is a SN595. Let me zoom in. Oh, you cannot see the writing. SN595. It's not an LED driver, but it's a shift register, and it's going to print out, actually turn on and off the LEDs. This is the microcontroller that's going to be doing all that. As you can see, I have the holder for the components. We'll stuff them in there, and these things are broken because I burnt them. I'm not a professional, and I have to buy some new ones, and then this thing will work. But more on that later. This is just an update of how this thing is going to look. It's gonna be amazing.